This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of Blue Book MKE, and Let's Level Up Your Business 5-Day Challenge, where I help small, medium, and large business owners bring in more leads, more phone calls, and more sales. Here is a follow-up video on a video that I promised to do a follow-up on from my video in early May, where I wanted to show the power of utilizing YouTube for generating ads, but also generating a side revenue for your business. Or if you don't have a business and you like providing content, you can also earn extra revenue for yourself by doing that. So you can see here, I've done several tests with my videos, and what seemed to have happened in May, you can see right here is around May 15th. One of my videos that I had made all the way back in January had took off, and it kind of gave my channel a boost. Now, up to now, my channel has done pretty good, but right now you can see that it's doing exceptionally well with 2,600, almost $2,700 for May, and that's not bad. And you can see that it's still on pace to do that. Revenue could be anywhere between 71 to, on a good day, 124 to $139 a day. In my program, I show you exactly what I've done to where I've built up an additional revenue for myself, and then also where I show you how you can generate leads, free leads from your videos. I show you exactly how you can set those up to get that done. And but I think that this is a very powerful tool. And if you have a business, or if you're just looking at a way that you can earn extra money, utilizing YouTube can be one of the tools that you can put in your belt to be able to help you earn extra revenue. I do teach this in my Let's Level Up Your Business 5-Day Challenge. I have a special going on right now where you get to use the entire program for 5 days, look at all of the content. And if you don't think that it's worth it, all you have to do is cancel, and you can go and find something else. But I don't think that you're going to think that way, because I show you everything that I've done for all of my businesses, what has worked, what doesn't work, different techniques and strategies that I've came up with. And I even show you testing. Some of the times people are afraid to test things because they don't want to spend any money. I'm going to actually show you the testing. So you're going to get the seed testing off of me spending my money. And I can tell you, some of the times when you test, you don't make any money, but you get to see the different tests that I'm doing. And then also you get to learn off of what is actually working. So the learning curve is shortened because I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. And inside of there, I show you my 3-step process. I I would bet almost anything that my 3-step process will guarantee within 1 day or less that you will have more leads, more phone calls, and potentially more sales, depending on what type of business you have. But I can guarantee that. So if you're interested in learning more about that, click the link above or below this video. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of Blue Book MKE, and Let's Level Up Your Business 5-Day Challenge.